So basically the solutions is a two types, okay, custom and default. So the default solution, it will comes with the whenever install the organization, so it will automatically create the default solution. So second one is the custom solutions. So this custom solutions is created by the normal system users, okay. So the custom solutions again we categorized into two types, okay. So that is a first one is a unmanaged. So unmanaged solutions. So second one is a managed solutions. Okay. So what is the unmanaged? So unmanaged means when you create the solution, so this is a unmanaged solution. We can able to modify the, you can able to do the customizations in the unmanaged in the unmanaged solution. So but the managed solution is something like a installable component, okay. So like a you cannot modify the unmanaged solution components, okay. So for example, I have developed my things, okay, I want to export to the production. So we have to be in a managed, we have to export as a managed solution, and we have to import the this managed solution in the production, okay. So basically we have a two types of a solutions, unmanaged and managed. Unmanaged solutions we can able to modify, okay. Unmanaged solutions we cannot modify the solution components, okay. So here how we can able to create the managed solution. So first of all, when you create the solution, so that is by default it is a unmanaged solution, okay. We can see the package type, it's a managed or unmanaged. You can see the here type of the package. So whatever we created this custom solution, so that is by default is a unmanaged solution, okay. So if you open that, here we can able to customize the all the solution components. So that is a unmanaged solution, okay. So but whereas we import the solution as a managed, you cannot modify the this all the components in the solution. So that is a basically two types of a solutions we have. So that is a managed and unmanaged, okay. So that is a thing. So this how we can define the managed and unmanaged. So when you are exporting a solution, okay. So basically if I done the all the customizations in my dev environment, okay. So here we can see the export the solution option. So here if you click on export the solution, so here, so next part if you click on, so if you want to the, you can able to select the, all the settings also you want to be include this package. If you want we can select it, or if you don't want you can, we are not able to select it. So here we can see the package type. So if you want the solution export as a unmanaged or managed, okay. So if you use this option, okay, so this solution wherever you are importing, like in a dev to test, okay. So if you import these solution components to a test as an unmanaged, so in the test environment also open this solution, you can able to do the customizations there in the test environment. So let's say for example if you give this one as a managed, so in the test environment we can, you are not able to do the any customizations, okay. So every time you have to come to the dev environment, do the customizations, and again we have to export this solution as a managed, and we have to deploy in a test environment, okay. So that is a basically difference between the managed and unmanaged solutions, okay. So but ideally when you are doing a development and all, you will use the unmanaged solution only. So when I click on this one, here it will ask this for what is the version, okay. So next click on export, so it will give the GIF file, okay. So that is a solution exporting concepts. So this is the zip file. We can save it here, any location, okay, and wherever you want, we can export in another. So just we can import it, okay. So this is the exporting the solution, okay. So for example, I want to import the solution. Here we can go to here, we can select the import option here. Under the solution we can select the import. So browse your solution here wherever you are download. So just I can select the whatever we exported. Like a custom whatever the solution we have exported. So we can select this solution. Like I'm selecting the some other solution, okay. So like a ribbon customer, just I'm selecting this solution. So you can just click on the next, okay. It will display the all the solution components. You can just see the, we can view the solution the package details. So what and all there in the solution, okay. So you can click on that, we can just click on import. So it will import the solution into the this organization. So that is the solution export and import, okay. So once the solution you exported, okay, so this zip file it will contains the three components. So whatever the here we can see the zip file it will contains the three files it will contains, okay. So this is a thing. So just I am opening this one zip folder. So it will contains the three files. It will contains the solution. It will contains the three files. First one is the content type dot xml, okay. Second one is the customizations dot xml. Third one is the solution dot xml. So this first one, the content dot xml, the file contains the what are the components is in the this solution. So those components only it will. So for example, in this solution we added the two entities. So what are the component details it will contain in this XML file. So next one, the customization.xml, it will contain the all the customizations in that solution. Okay. So next this solution, this one here, this solution it will contain the publisher name and solution name, what is the package type. So all the details it will contains in the solution.xml file. So basically when you are export the solution, so internally it will create the three files. So these all the three files it will gives to you, okay. So that is a solutions export and import, okay. So if you see here, the solutions can be exported in a two different packages. So that is a unmanaged and managed, okay. So unmanaged is the option, so that enables the developer to maintain the backups for the customizations. So they can modify, so they can be modified when they apply them on the other environments, okay. So here when you removing the unmanaged solutions, hello. So when you're removing the unmanaged solutions, so the custom entities are not be removed. Okay. To remove the custom entities, you will need to remove them manually. Okay. By going to the default solution. Okay. So for example, you want to delete the unmanaged solution. So the custom entities it won't delete it. Okay. First we have to go to default solution and we have to delete there and we, so that then only it will be deleted in the solution, okay. So here if you want to have a other option, other people can deploy the solution. So we'll have to export the solution as a manage, so that the people they cannot make any customizations in that package. So whenever you can give the solution to as a manage, so other people they are not able to customize it. Okay. So to export the solution, you have to follow the following steps. So this we can see this button here. So second button, if you click on that, so it will give the publishing customizations. So before exporting the solution, we will do the publish your all the customizations. So if we, in the next screen, it will ask you all the system settings also you want to be include in this solution. Okay, so in this package, so in the next one here we can see the package type. So here we can able to select it, and once we exported, it will ask the it will download the solution. Okay, so that is a solutions part. Okay,